In this lesson, we'll take a look at creating detailed drawings of sheet metal components using the file that we've developed over the past several lessons. Detailed drawings are covered more in depth in another portion of this course, but sheet metal components are detailed differently than regular components, so it's good to take a look at how to work with sheet metal while we're on the subject. We'll begin a drawing in the same basic technique that you use for other components, by going to the Workspace pull-down and selecting Drawing, then from Design. When the Create Drawing dialog appears, we will deselect Full Assembly and pick the component in the canvas. Fusion 360 detects that this is a sheet metal component and offers you the choice of setting the folded model or the flat pattern as the representation for the drawing. For now, we'll use the flat pattern and leave the default settings and click OK to begin creating the drawing. This will create a drawing document and give us a preview of the flat pattern to place in the drawing. Pick a location for the drawing view and click OK to generate it. Other views can still be placed in this drawing. Starting the Base View tool, you see a preview of the folded part, but notice that we can change the reference to the flat pattern in the dialog. We'll keep the reference as the folded model, set the orientation as home, and place the view in the drawing. When you're finished placing drawing views, any detailing or annotation options available with traditional models are also available for sheet metal drawings. An option that we won't explore at this time is to create a view of the flat pattern at a 1:1 scale, remove the border from the drawing, and output that view as a DWG for use in manufacturing.